Say, this is March 24th. Liam's very first time eating food. Ready, Bubba? They're bananas. Are those good? Those good? Oop, you got it on your lip, Bubba. What do you think of them? Are those good? Are those good bananas? Whoa!
Come on! Everyone together.
Some more? Yeah? Ooh, gotta move your hand. There you go. Good job. Messy. You are messy. What do you think of them? Say yum. Oh God, you're about to be so messy. Yeah, you are.